What I'm saying is that what if I could trick both of us into believing that we are in love?
Okay. How?
Okay, so have you heard about this study called 36 Questions to Fall in Love?
No?
Okay, so it is where a couple they ask each other 36 questions, and by the end of it, they're supposed to be in love.
Okay.
Okay, so this means that only if by asking each other questions we can be in love, it means that it's a science, which means that it's a manipulation of the mind, which again means that love is not magic, it's a trick.
Okay. This is not gonna work. I can be really stubborn.
Let's take a bet then, a challenge.
Okay, so you don't want me to strip now?